from Genergy on the ground. Today I want to dive deep into servo controllers. As you're already familiar with carburetors, I'll keep this focused because many of you have raised questions on the channel about el Creta Sol and servo controllers. So let's explore this topic together. And what is a servo controller? Well, look, it's nothing more or less than a tiny little electric motor that has a controlled movement. Okay, move you make is this. Why are you making this move? This movement does so when commanded by the needs of the generator board, in this case, inverter generator. Creta Sol, but it would pass in any generator, huh? Automatic start. Look, when we start a regular and normal generator, we go to the air lever and close the air so that with the accelerator open, the mixture is richer and our generator starts earlier. This movement, when it's a neglected starter generator that starts an inverter order, the system is this motor that we are seeing here, this small motor. Who is going to do our work is the one who is going to rotate through this rod, and the command of the electronic board, it makes it rotate and closes this hatch as if you had hit it with your hand, but the servo does it automatically from the valve command. Well, at that moment, this other butterfly is here, and as soon as the generator starts, the throttle is going to be placed at the corresponding point of revolutions according to the load it has. That is, the accelerator is also a servo motor, as you can see, which accelerates or slows down depending on the work needs. And all this is done by the servo motor commanded by the electronic board. Okay, what's going on? If this carburetor is dirty, realize it, look here at a close-up, see if we can get to see it. We have here in this place in here, okay? I don't know if the camera gets to see it. There you can see a very, very small squirrel, okay? Very, very small. That little spout over there is the Baja fountain. There are also 2 or 3 little holes there that coincide when the hatch is closing. They get there and there it is, okay? Well, you tell me it's just that it has a breakdown that makes run. Well, look when he's in this position. The gas station that is keeping the equipment running is that small gas station that I say, more those small holes that are there, that gasoline that is entering here. He's not coming in from the bend through the main spout. We've got him in there. Okay, the air is coming in through these 2 holes, through this hole here. You see it through that hole. This hole goes through this gum, which is the idle gum, the low gum, okay? And once it's passed through here, it sucks the gasoline through the Venturi. And it comes out through these holes. If this hand-pulled gum is attached, simply with this screw, it is pulled out by hand. It's stuck, no idling gasoline comes out, and our servo motor, our Creta Sol, is going to be idling. Since it has no gas, it accelerates. It's a lot of acceleration. I have no charge. I go back to idle. I don't have idle gasoline. I'm stuck. I go back up, and then the blue servo is working all the time. Run. Well, this is just maintenance, clean off gum, and it's over. Okay, do you know what a servo is? Well, this is where he is here. You see him here. This is what we have in our hand, this. What are you looking at here? Is this the carburetor? Well, the black cover is removed. This is from the blanket, but this is our carburetor that we are seeing here, okay? And there we see the screw and so on, all right? Well, that's it. More information in Genergy.es. And remember, all the information you need can be found on this page you are viewing. At the level of our equipment, our catalogs, the entire range of solar energy, etc., and the telephone numbers of my colleagues, our emails are at your disposal for any questions, and very importantly, it is forbidden to stop learning.